Hey, Dana here, and welcome to, I'm going to consider this searching for behind the scenes, and I finally did it. I got me a motor, boat motor for searching for. It is a kicker. It's a Nissan 5 horse. I really didn't want to get a two-stroke, but under the circumstances that I got, I needed to see if I can take care of that. The 30 torque electric motor just is not as much as I would like. I did see a 55 12 volt. Unfortunately, I missed out on it. But this gentleman had this one, and he gave me a deal on it. Thank you, Chris. I'll get it home and see if I can get it running. Good compression. Unfortunately, there's no spark, but I'm not sure if we have a kill switch issue. I don't know if the button on it is the kill switch to shut it down, and then the magneto just keeps it energized. When you go to pull it, it starts right back up again. I'm not sure, or it has a kill switch. I'll have to get into it. So, anyway, as you can see, Chris lives way up here, out in the boonies. I don't mind. He's only like 15 miles from here, so that made it even better. I didn't have to go 50, 60 miles to go get it. Right here locally. Alright, I'm doing quick check on it before I head down the road. I just went ahead and installed it right on the back of the boat. Come on back and we'll take a look. Hopefully I got enough battery. She's gonna go crazy, I know, because I don't have enough. So here we go. She is beautiful, huh? It's older, but you know, that's all right. Keep that solid right there. And I'm not sure exactly, you know, there's your fuel on, fuel off in there. You gotta, it probably takes care of your throttle. And it's got compression, and you got forward and reverse. That appears to be working okay. I'm gonna get into the boat motors. You're actually facing the wrong direction, aren't you? Let's turn you around. Well, yes, it's actually okay that way. You got less weight. You got more weight towards the. And you got your little lockdown. All right, so we're gonna try and see how a Nissan model works. I would love to have a Mercury 4-cylinder, but I just can't afford it right now. Once I get you guys subscribed and sharing here, get some get some money coming in for the channel. Right now, everything is out of my own pocket. Anyway. Alright, got it home. Now we'll get some in-depth into it as soon as I get a minute. Alright, we're back troubleshooting this 87 Nissan 5-horse. I was able to get online and email the company that now owns Nissan, and it's American Corp. So they came back. He was able to tell me that it was a 87 model, and it is a 5-horse. He gave me some ideas. There's also a small repair shop like 20 miles from here that takes care of these. That's good news. What I'm doing right now is I'm doing a couple of quick checks on it. I did order a coil for it because I suspect the coil is bad, and I'm gonna get it next Friday. So in the meantime, I'm doing some other checks to it. I don't have the manual to do what I really need to do to troubleshoot. So first thing I did was I put my tester on it to get an idea how much PSI I have. Right now it's showing 120 PSI, which is really, really good. So I'm just going to double check it again while you're here. I figure you pull it about 5 times, it should get you the maximum amount of air. On that first draw, that took it to to 60 PSI on the first draw. That took it to almost 100. That's 2, 3. That took it to 120. Sitting at 120. Sitting at 121. Alright, so that should be enough. It's sitting at about 121 PSI. That's really good. We got no problem with compression. Next, what I was doing is making sure I had some voltage coming off of the stator up here. So red wire's coming out of the stator pickup. The other one to ground. Putting it on the meter here. And I'm going 20 volts. That's probably high enough. Let's try. Take the pressure up. That's awesome. 120 PSI. 100. What's this running? Alright, so I've got that at 20, I've got it at 200 volts. Let's see if something happens here. Nothing's happening. Get down to 20 volts. Oh, we got 17. 1 number. Getting 17 volts. That's going to go in there, and then that's going into your coil. And that's going to crank your energy up. That's that one. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I got something going here. So we got something going on. Give me 10. Give me 10. 18, depending on what I want. Alright, so it looks like I was almost going through there. Here, but and then I pull it, got like 20 out of it. So as far as I'm concerned, we got stuff going on here, which is good. So then we're back to that, back to my bad coil. This one here, going into your box. That's good there. Let's see. Coil wire. This coil wire. That's the power going into the coil wire. I've got power coming out of the coil wire. Alright. So, everything from here to there going into the coil appears to be good. Alright, there's like 11. Beautiful. Alright, so everything here is making electricity, which is a good thing. Unfortunately, there's nothing coming out of the coil. It's possible I got foul coil. Sorry. I thought I had two-stroke plugs. I had plug. You know, it would be a good thing if I plugged it in. Plug the coil in. Alright, I got it. See if I can find me a plug. Okay, we're back. I got the plug that they told me it cross wrapped. This is an auto light. I have no idea if it's even right. But I got an NGK, and it is, the only thing that stumps me is this is it says it's a BPR 7HS, but the original part number for it back in '87 was BP 7HS-10. So I don't know if that was just the way it was or not. We're going to find out right now whether it was as simple as a plug or actually got a bad coil. What do you know? I already know what my pressure is. Sucked in there. It doesn't belong in it. Alright, so we're going to see. Hopefully it's just that. All right, I'll have what's your name? No. At least I know I got the right plug. Alright, so that's where we're at. I did make sure that the gear shift is working properly. Reverse, forward, and then the power is going in the direction of the set port. This is automatic. It's not snapping. Not snapping back. Look into that. Okay, well, technically if you let go, it should snap back. Alright, good. At this point, stop the plug. Stay tuned, this will be continuation. Alright, we're back. I had something in the back of my head that said, what about that kill switch? Could there be something going on with that kill switch? What it is, it's a button right here. And you push it, and then it'll kill the motor. I decided what I was going to do is I'm gonna put the multimeter on it. First what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if that has anything to do with it. With this, when you push it, it should kill it, I think, right? So once you let go, it should be fine. The electricity should run, right? So I'm going to take that out of the equation just for the heck of it. This is brown wire going into here, into the CI, right? Control system. Alright, so let's go into CI. Now it's disconnected. Right? So, I got thinking about it. Go ahead and take this and run it on the body. I want it. See if any of the read. That, then there's something else. I'm going to push the button. Something's happening. .4 ohms. So it means I am getting contact between here and ground. Going positive, wire, ground wire going on the wire going on this side of it, and then you have the other side of it going on to the ground here. So I got something going on there. Alright, so just for the heck of it, with that disconnected, let's see if something happens to this wire. Ooh, I got spark. I've got spark. Wow. Okay. So I don't know what's going on with this switch here. Why didn't I have... What is going on? With that disconnected... I've got spark. Okay. Plug this back in. I got spark now. It didn't matter. What the heck happened? I've got spark. I don't know why. I haven't had spark. We have spark, boys and girls. Oh man. Let me just push that button. I shouldn't have spark. Okay, I got spark. No spark. Okay, I got spark now. Maybe there was something going on with that thing. Woo! We got spark! Okay, make sure this is neutral. Let's plug that in. So, yeah, I know I got freaking bad gas, old gas, but I want to see if it's gonna kick over. There's something going on. I don't know. Everything's confusing me now. I've got a Ford Auto-like plug. Don't know if that's recommended. I had that other plug that was recommended. And I was looking at I got that brand new plug that says it goes in there, but I noticed that it's a little bit longer, and you do not want it too long or it will slam your piston. And I got that all the way out, make sure this is in there. Ow, that's where it's cross wrapped. That's what it cross wrapped was to this plug. The only thing is, I don't know why I've got an auto light. But if you look, I'm coming together. Come on. Can you see? That one's a little longer than the other. From thread wise. See? So you don't want that. I don't need that. Pounding on the piston, that would not be good. Figure out how to figure that out in order. Just I'll know I got the right plug. And so I need my. Well, we now have spark. Alright. Got my miter here. Put that in there. I'll right up against that. I want to get out of the area. Just hold on to this. My hands out of the way. It's butted right up against that. Piston's going to come back. And hit it. Alright. We're clear. Okay, so we got that much room to the piston. Sure don't slam. Alright, so as we can see, I've got, when that butts up, still got that much to the piston. So I guess that's gonna be it. Guess that's the piston. Brand new plug. I'll double check one more time. Back around. Okay, double check. That's how much room I got from the outside, which is where that ring is going to butt up against. Hit there, you still got. That's quite a bit. All right, so according to what they were telling me, this is the plug. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like my hand. NG. NG. Okay, so that's squeezed up against it. We've still got enough. Alright, so let's put that in there real quick. Make sure this fires. Guess what? There you go. All right, I got spark. Okay. Let's put that in first. That's all I do. I don't know where the water pump stuff is on this. It's in. As we know, it's got old fuel in it, so ready? Now, I don't know how this pumps water up to it, cool it. I can't tell you anything much about it. We won't run it for long. Let's just see. Red button here, turn fuel on. Turn on. Fuel on. No. I got it choked. Got fuel running down to it. I don't know what we're getting. Hopefully I got it. Yes. I know I had a spark, right? So, that one out. Okay, now I'm not getting fuel down there. That's what I think we're looking at now. No fuel. Let's see if the plug is wet. No. Plug is dry. Definitely not getting any fuel. Right. We'll make sure I get the spark here. Okay, so now isolated it from spark. Now we're not getting any fuel. We weren't getting any spark to begin with. And that was my concern. I wasn't getting any spark. Now, I'm getting fuel. Could be, it's pure old fuel here with the. This is chainsaw fuel. There's two. I got this one here. Got this stuff here. You know, two cycle fuel. 40, 50. Okay, let's look on now. Let's see what's recommended for fuel to oil mix. Stay tuned. All right, we're back. They do recommend 50 to 1. And that's what this is. You get it at Walmart. Yep. So I'm going to drain that fuel tank. Get that fuel tank drained. Alright. Wheel. Okay, so guess I got my cut out for me for the moment. I'm gonna have to take the fuel tank off. Go ahead and get it drained, and I'm gonna add this 2 cycle to it.